Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to Belinda TV, where we talk about hair and we'll learn one or two about our hair. So today, get ready with me. I'm going to be making a very simple and yet elegant hairstyle today. So you're going to start off by detangling your hair. Make sure there are no knots. Your hair is very much detangled, and then you're going to need a tail comb and an afro comb for this hairstyle. So, and yes, I'll be using some wool. I'm just going to add a little bit at the tip to make it long. So guys, the little section at the side is what I'll be using for my base, and I just went ahead and make a straight line in the middle at the middle of my hair. So I'm going to weave each side going back, each side going back. So the trick for this weave to come out really nice is for you to grab the hair little by little. Don't grab too much hair at a time. If you do that, you're going to be left with very loose braids that won't look nice and it will get rough really fast. So you're going to take your hair little by little. So here I'm doing the feed in method. Yeah, so it's not visible where you're adding the extension from, so it's going to look seamless at the end of the day with this method. So guys, for the tip of the hair, for the braid parts, I'm going to be adding some coily hair extensions to it, so just like give it some edge, to make it look a lot more beautiful. So at the end of the hair is already coming together, guys. This hair didn't take much time at all. I think I didn't spend up to 30 minutes making this hairstyle, except for the part that I had to boil water and dip the ends. This end now, I'll dip it inside very hot water and some conditioning to make it, define, to make the curls define. Other than that, it didn't take much time. So guys, what do you think about this look? Is this a hairstyle that you would rock? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, bye bye.